We have with us today Kelsey Stoles, a digital media specialist with InV Marketing. Let's talk about social media for business.
The first step is to figure out where your customers are on social media, because this is where you will need to be too. If your customers are on Facebook, then your business would want to invest your efforts there rather than LinkedIn. Social media can be free, it's immediate, and it gets results. You can use social media to boost your brand awareness, release new products, post success stories and job openings, monitor your competition, provide helpful content, listen and gain insights into your customers. In fact, 59% of Americans think that customer service through social media has made it easier to get questions answered and issues resolved.
Most importantly, social media will put your name in front of an almost endless supply of potential new customers.
To get your social media planning template, go to WLAJ.com.